Cracking your knuckles may irritate the people around you, but it probably won't raise your risk for arthritis. The pop of a cracked knuckle is caused by bubbles bursting in the synovial fluid, the fluid that helps lubricate joints. The bubbles pop when you pull the bones apart, either by stretching the fingers or bending them backwards, creating negative pressure. Even if knuckle cracking doesn't cause arthritis, there is still good reason to let go of the habit. Chronic knuckle cracking may lead to reduced grip strength. It was not until 1940 that foreign nationals were even required to register within the United States. The Alien Registration Act of 1940 required that all aliens within the US register with the federal government at post offices. The registration forms were forwarded to the Immigration and Naturalization Services for processing, and a receipt card was mailed to each registrant as a proof of compliance with the law. The law did not discriminate between legal and illegal alien residents. All aliens had to register and all received AR-3s. When World War II ended and immigration once again resumed on a large scale, alien registration was not done at the post offices anymore, but became part of the normal procedure of immigration, and each type of immigrant was classified by a different permit. As immigration to the United States became a dream to many, the green card's value increased. Fraud became a major problem. The card had to be redesigned more than a dozen times between the 1950s and 1970s.